Okay, before loading the camera, the first thing we have to do is open the housing and inspect it to make sure it's clean. Most housings that get filled with water are due to user error, rarely due to the housing. So to open it, you slide this latch up, and then you can open it. And you can open the housing. What we're going to inspect is this yellow seal and where that seal goes. So we're going to look for sand, dog hair, twigs, anything like that. Even a piece of dog hair or cat hair across the seal can make a little tiny channel for water to get in. It doesn't matter quite as much when snorkeling, mostly when diving. So we're going to look all the way around the seal from all sides. We're going to make sure that there's no sand on it. Usually I just wipe my finger down it to make sure it's clean. And where it mates inside the housing, we're going to look inside this channel and make sure that there's no sand. If there is sand on the seal, the ring, then we're going to take it out and we're going to clean it. So usually what I do is I use a credit card and I slide it inside. Usually I use two hands. There we go. I slide it inside to take it out. And then I use a clean towel, probably not a piece of paper towel, but maybe like a bath towel or hand towel. And I wipe it through the towel so it's all clean. And then I'll be sending you a little bit of lubricant, a little bit of silicone goop. And so you just put a very, very thin coating of it. Just put a pinch between two fingers and pull the seal between those two fingers gently, just to make sure that it's a little bit lubricated. Not goopy though. Put it back in place. Make sure everything looks good. Then we take the camera. We make sure the camera is ready. So for remember underwater, it's going to be SCN, scene, auto, and then over on the left side, the 0. We want to make sure that the screen's facing out. We want to make sure we have a battery and a memory card in there. Then we set it right inside the housing. There we go. You can see all these buttons are going to actually be set up right over the camera control so you can control the camera. And that's how the housing passes your controls through to the camera. So the last thing we're going to do is we're going to take one of these desiccant packs. I call these do not eats, kind of like when you buy something, it keeps them dry. What these do, stay back Lila please, is absorb moisture. Now they should be purple when they're ready. The ones I send you need to be prepared by you, but you take a purple desiccant pack and you set it right under the camera. Let's see where we're going to put it here. Actually, probably the best place here is, let's see, I haven't used this camera in a while, so.
Take that camera off.
Take it off?
And then put that there.
Actually, for this camera, what I like to do is set it alongside the lens. So we're going to put it alongside where the lens pokes out. And we're going to set the camera in. You got to make sure you don't get the desiccant pack stuck in the channel. So that's why it's handy to put it inside alongside the lens. You see, so it's going to be inside here, but it doesn't get in the way of anything. So now that